Let's talk about universal credit and priority debts and how the budget today changes things dramatically. So Rachel Reeves, the Chancellor, has just announced now that for priority debts, whereas before 25% of universal credit could be taken to pay off those priority debts, she's changing it to 15%. Now that might be great if you're receiving universal credit. So now going forward, instead of 25% of your money being used to pay off your debts, only 15% can be used. But of course, in the child maintenance world, where money is being claimed from benefits, we already have a situation where certain priority debts mean that the other party doesn't receive any maintenance due to the priority debts being paid off first. Now, child maintenance is something like 13 or 14 on the list. So that means things such as council tax are higher up the list. Now, the knock-on effect of these changes will mean that it will take longer to pay off the other 12 priority debts above child maintenance. And as a consequence, the child maintenance payments won't go through. And when they do go through, it'll be a lot longer. There'll be a longer gap between payments starting due to the priority debts. Not sure that's a good move. Not sure if it's a bad move. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.